Hello everyone, so if you want to insert an SD card into your Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, so first of all we will need a SIM ejecting tool and an our SD card. Also, if you don't have that, however it should be into your box, you can use a regular paper clip or basically anything that will fit into the hole. Alright, now we need to locate the SD card slot, so it's really easy to do. On this particular model, it's located right here on the right side of your tablet. However, it depends on your model, so look for it. It should look something like this. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool or paper clip, whatever. Don't confuse this hole with your dynamic hole, so insert it right into your SD card hole. As you see, the tray popped up, so let's take it out, and here it is. Looks like this. Now let's grab our SD card and let's locate the right place to place it. So as you see, it fits quite snugly. It has this little clicky sound when you insert it. All right, so as it loaded, let's take it back and let's gently insert it into our tablet. Just like this. Make sure that the holes are fitting. As you see, we've got a new message that the SD card was detected. So if we're gonna try and open up our file manager, for example, as you see, now we can choose tablet and we can find in a storage, and here we can find our SD card actually. So simply tap on your SD card and here's all of the information contained in it. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel and have a great day.